Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Shopify store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you install an app on your Shopify store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to install an app in your Shopify store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Your Shopify store is kind of like your iPhone or your Android phone, where you can install applications that make the process a little easier. And those apps could be anything from communication, marketing, order fulfillment, just a lot of different things. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Shopify store. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Shopify account. This is the admin screen. Now here on the admin screen, if you want to install an app, first you have to find the app. So usually what I'll do is I'll click on the search bar here at the top and then just click on apps. Once you do that, here at the bottom, you're going to see kind of like a gear icon called apps and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the apps you already have installed in your Shopify store. But to install an app, what you want to do is click right here, Shopify App Store. Okay, so next it's going to show you various apps, and this is where you can find the apps you want to install. So normally what I'll do is I'll just click up here and then just search based off of what type of app or what type of function I'm looking for. So let's just do maybe translate. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all related apps to there. So go ahead and look through. Some of them are free, some of them have a free plan, some of them are paid. So just kind of look through, and I'll usually look at the reviews as well. So for this video, let me go ahead and install this one right here, Shopify Translate and Adapt. Okay, so here it usually will include a video on what the app does, and then it tells you a little bit down here. So if it looks like it's what you are looking for, you can go ahead and install by clicking on this black install button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my home screen. Now you can see the app has been installed into my Shopify store. So by clicking on the app itself, I can go ahead and go in and make edits how I see fit for my Shopify store. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to install an app in your Shopify store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.